Hi, Martha Duck. We were wondering where you were. Are you doing your own thing, Martha Duck? Goosey's up here. I think Goosey's in the pollinator garden. Goose, goose. Goose, goose. Goosey? Goose, goose. Goosey girl. Uh-oh, what up? Oh, there's the goose. Goose. Hello, Goosey. Goosey, I hear you. Yes, Goosey, hello. Where are you, Goosey? Are you in the pollinator garden, sweetie? Are you helping to fertilize the pollinator garden? Where's the goose goose? Or there's some snails in there and some sluggies. Oh, good girl. Good girl, Goose. Looks like you found some good things to eat in there, huh, sweetie? Oh, the good girl, the goose. All right, should we go find everybody else? Let's go find everybody else. Come on, my girl. Whoa, Goosey, nice running. Nice running. Here's your sister, Martha. Hi, Martha. How are you, sweetie? Whoa, and there's the squad. Angus, Stella, and Amelia. Hey, guys. Thank goodness we're getting some rain, right, guys? Hello, Angus. Do you have anything to say? Good girl, Stella. All right, we love you guys.